So we're going to do a little bit of a different video today. We're going to have a little tour of MJG Grits, the Fiesta ST180 there. We're going to go and disturb him and see what he's got inside. Here's his lovely P100. You can see this is no ordinary P100. Anyone guess what's under there? Guess by the vents yet? So what is it, Marty?
Cosworth YB. How many horsepower?
How many horsepower do you reckon?
Well,
let us know in the comments.
Oh yeah, let us know in the comments.
What do you reckon roughly?
With what's on there, it's got green injectors.
Yeah.
It's got a Group A air filter. It's got a T34 toe instead of T3. It's got a RS500 AirTech front end intercooler.
Yeah.
It's got a turbo cooler. It's got. Well, do you want to have a look? I use this as my wedding car, so me and a few good friends built this.
Yeah, so there was a lot of guys literally building this car in the stage, and if you haven't seen all those videos, then you can check those out on Jamie FYD channel. So there it is. Definitely not a standard P100 engine.
Various custom bits along the back.
Yeah, nice.
Custom pedal box, so it's got a hydraulic clutch in it.
Yep.
And you know, we've just done a bits fancy here. Cosworth exhaust, but because it's P100, we've had it fully 3-inch, fully built.
Yep.
All stainless woven together by a good friend of mine. Yeah, some little touches just to make it what was mine. Ford Motorcraft battery. This is custom built. There should be a big scut that goes across the back, but we didn't like that.
Yeah.
I wanted to keep it, so I've covered up the heater bubble.
Nice.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a pretty crazy build, and to build something like this, if you was just a standard Joe Bloggs, this would cost you an absolute fortune, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, luckily.
Just to let you know that underneath is as tidy as what on the top is.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. We will probably see that again one day, but yeah, underneath is absolutely immaculate.
But if you want to see more of this, leave a comment, because we'll get Andy to take it out.
So we've just come in Martin's office and look at all these wheels all up here. So many different style of colours, and as you can see, there's so many different options that you can select for your cam cover, manifold, gates, whatever, you name it, they do everything here. They even got your luminous yellow there, look, gold. I know they have chrome, silver, all your greens as well. There's the part of your chrome there. So many different colours. All your whites. Yeah, plenty of choice. Here's some split rims that he's done for a customer. Well, the faces anyway. Pretty cool. And look at these pieces here. It's almost like a Cadbury purple. That looks lovely. I'll ask him what colour that is. Here's the man himself. I was just going to ask you actually.
Yeah.
This colour here.
Yeah.
What is it?
Purple candy.
Ah, I was going to say it looks a bit like a Cadbury purple almost.
It is, but
Yes.
these bits are no good.
Okay, how come?
So if you look here, I'm not sure if it's contamination in the powder, but see the dots here, here, look. It's almost like it's fish-eyed off it.
Oh, okay.
Now, the process of a candy colour, you
Yep.
put a silver, or we use a chrome because it gives you the best reflection. So we use a chrome. We've got a chrome that isn't actually all that great chrome-wise.
Yep.
So it's a bit dull, but it works perfectly for this. So you put that on, you let that cool down, you apply this cold straight on.
Okay, sure. So
This batch of powder must have had something wrong with it.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, although they look really good, and they do look good,
they do look really
we've got
good.
to redo them.
But this is why you're good at your job, because there's little things like that that I didn't even notice, but you're very fussy, which is obviously really good, because the customer wants a good job at the end of the
It goes
day.
out the door, and then someone, you know, so, okay, so it goes out the door.
Yep.
I give the guy a discount, okay?
Sure.
I knock 50 quid off.
Yep.
People say to him,
Who did that?
"Oh, look at that! Who did that?
Yeah.
He's going to say, he's a good friend of mine, but
Yeah.
we use this as an example, he's going to say MJG grits.
Yeah, mine MJG done
Is
it.
he going to say, give me 50 quid off because it had a mark on it, he done me a deal?
No, he's not. No.
Unfortunately not. So,
That's your
it's
reputation.
Not 100%, it doesn't go out the door.
Yeah, 100%. That's how it should be. You crack on, mate. Talking of his P100 and classic Ford Mag there. There is another feature of his car. Look at that. It's come such a long way. So this Porsche has come in for a wheel refurbishment. The wheels are actually going to a gunmetal colour, so that would look really nice. I think the customer's actually got some new wheel nuts to put on it as well. And Ryan said they were in a pretty bad way when he took them off. Here they are, in the acid, getting rid of all that old and horrible paint before they get blasted. And as you can hear from all the noise, there's plenty of blasting going on in this shed. There's someone actually doing some proper work in there. So excuse all the noise in this very busy place, but he's got to blast this and prime it as well. Don't actually know what this is, so any of you eagle eyes out there, let us know, because I don't have a clue. It almost looks, I don't want to offend anyone, but do you have any guesses what this is, Marty? Yeah, so we're not really sure what this actually is, and I'm sure there's loads of you screaming at us to say, you know, it's this or it's that, but yeah, what a thing. So yeah, this will be blasted and it'll be primed, so it's going to go in there to get blasted, and it'll go next door to get primed, and that'll be back to the customer. Let's have a look in this booth. So we've got a Mark 1 Escort in here that Marty's doing some restoration on. As you can see from all the front panels that he's actually had to cut in. Excuse the noise, we've got the sandblasting shed next door. So much work goes on in this place, it's so interesting, it's really cool. Literally, got so much work to do here. But these boys are going to make it amazing once it's all done. I think he's got 3 Mark 1 Escorts in here at the moment, which is pretty mental. Got some wheels here. I think they're Focus ST. Am I correct in that one, Marty?
Focus ST, yes. I think they're pre-facelift.
Yep.
Focus ST, because the facelift then got a bit sharper.
Yeah, so
It's a pre-facelift.
nice. So these are actually going on a C-Max?
C-Max, yeah.
Yeah, so they're going to go on a C-Max, and they're actually going that candy purple colour that we just saw in the office.
That
So,
hopefully isn't contaminated.
yeah, let's hope it's not contaminated, because these will come out absolutely lovely.
I've
And
already pre-warned him that I've shown him what was wrong with those ones in there.
okay,
He knows the score,
yeah.
just in case. You've got to cover your arse. Sorry, you've got...
Sorry, what? So we'll come back to these wheels just to show you guys once these are done, because that'd be kind of interesting to see what they come out like. Fingers crossed that they're not contaminated. Look at these, we've got some more wheels here as well. No idea what colour this is.
That's our colour.
Oh, okay.
That's the colour, so we've not long done these wheels.
Right.
Fortunately, the customer doesn't like the colour.
He doesn't like the colour.
Doesn't like the colour.
Interesting.
Well, sorry, he loves the colour of the wheels.
Yep.
Doesn't like the colour of them on his grey car.
On this car,
So
yeah.
he wants to go back. I've done a set of these, couple of sets of these already.
Yep,
So he wants to get these set just to gunmetal grey. So
sure.
we're going to flip them. We're going to strip them right back, and then yeah.
They're going to go back to gunmetal.
Yeah.
And then you've got more stuff here, as well as that over there. You seem to be collecting.
So that's a Morris pickup truck. That's the back panel of it.
Yeah, yeah.
The actual chassis itself is all good.
Yeah, so what Martin was saying is this is actually a monocoque that actually sits on the chassis. Quite a bit of work that Marty's got to do. Mad when you see cars in this condition with nothing else on them. You can see what they start from. Pretty mad. As you can see, up on the ramp, there's actually an RS 1600i, which is Jason Wadsworth at JW Auto Shine. Martin's got to do quite a bit of work on this one. Got to do some chassis restoration. He's going to explain in some future videos of what he's going to do on this. So if you're interested in this sort of restoration work, definitely give Martin a follow on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, because he's going to be doing a long playlist on this 1600 and also Mark 1 Escort in there. So a little bit different rather than cars. We've got a set of gates here that actually got damaged. Just on this corner, there's a biffer lorry that crashed into the side of the gate and completely crumpled the gate. So Martin's actually cut the whole section out. I'll insert the picture here and you can see how bad the damage was. So what the boys are going to do, they're just going to put that new section in and you won't even notice. Now it'll look brand new again. Got another Escort shell up there. Another Mark 1 Escort shell up there. There is so much stuff that comes in here. And he's got this P100. He's got a special out the back in his container that's actually got a Honda Blackbird engine, I think, in it that he uses for Car Club. He's got the Fiesta ST180 over there that's running 320 odd horsepower. It's got an LSD in it as well. We might actually do some more of that at some point, because Martin has actually asked us to check something out on that. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel, because we're going to do some more content with that Fiesta ST180. As you can see, so much work going on in here. There's such grafters. They work all silly hours of the night as well. Probably should let them get on with some work now. So I'm just going to go and say thank you to Martin. Martin just sorting out the face of the wheel there. It's going to get painted. Just want to say thank you for our uninvited tour today, Martin. I think I owe you a coffee.
But secondly, if any of you guys want to see more of Andy and the doing tour, I have told him he can come in anytime he likes.
Yes, and we highly appreciate that. Thank you. Anyway, Mark, I'll let you crack on.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
See you in a bit, mate.
I'll see you soon.
See you, mate. So if any of you want to see any more videos like we've done today, then let us know in the comments. As Martin said, we're more than welcome in here anytime, and we're not exactly far. We're literally just around the corner. He gets some amazing stuff in, as you can see just from today's video. So if you did like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give Martin a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all on the next one.